All right. So we have returned. Never did that before. That was interesting. I'll tell you, when you're going live, almost anything can go wrong, right? Right. All right. And I'm not anticipating anybody else making that kind of a mistake. All right. I don't even know how did I get there like that? Okay. Well, we're not going to make a big deal out of it. We fixed it. All right, so I just want to make sure. See that gap right there? That's what you want to avoid. So the best way to do that is make sure this is a nice little tug. Put that over that way. And grab this red. And just make sure you make that nice little crossover there. All right. Okay, so we oh, come on now. Oh, Lord, everybody wants to get into the act. All right, so we've got a couple more rows to go, and I'm going to let you catch up. We'll take. Excuse me. So we got 1, 2. So we've got like 3, 4 more rows to go. Let's see, no. 7, 8, 9. Yes, we've got 4 more rows to go. All right. So I'm gonna let you guys get to the do the 4 more rows of white and red, and then I'll talk to you. All right, I'll be right back. All right. So we're at the last row. Well, the last stripe here. So we're in red. Now that we're finished with this, we can get rid of this. Because this is going to just tangle up and drive you crazy. So I'm just going to cut this so I can weave that in later. So now I don't have to deal with the white. And I can just roll it up and get it out the way. Because it is, and I know you all can tell that it's all tangled up inside. You're all tangled up. All right. So we're on our last row, which is the red. I hope this has helped you all. Hope you find this to be a nice project. Like I said, I'm working on a pillow. And when I'm done with that, I will definitely share that, post that on here on my page. You are all most welcome to come to my Facebook page and check out some of my other wonderful creations. Like I said, I'm mainly a doll maker. So I have all kinds of dolls. And yes, don't worry, I promise that I will have a picture of Miss Betsy for you. And I will make sure that she makes an appearance. All right, because this is our last row, I normally do this twice. So I'll do another row of the red, and then I will bind it off. And then I will bind off as to purl. As to knit. Can't believe I said that. And the reason why I do that is because I love this border here. Yeah, I love that border for my flag. Okay. All right. See that? Doesn't that look nice? It's nice and neat. Wow. You guys did a good job. Did an excellent job. All right. So we are going to bind this off. All right. So now we are going to bind off. So we're going to knit across this. All right. So now we bind off. All right, so we knit, just in case you forgot how to bind off. Knit, and then you take this one and pull it over. Okay. As to knit. And then this stitch right here just comes over that one. All right. So here we are. And what we're going to do is, now for this, you have to bring this over, come back as the pearl. All right. Cross this over. Bring this over. All right. So let me go back. Let me do that again so you can see what I did. All right. So we were knitting. We had the yarn was in the front as to knit. So now that we're going to bind off, and we're going with the red. So we had to take the blue, bring it to the back as to purl, bring the red to the front as to knit. Oh, we didn't. Yeah. Yep. Yep, that's right. Oh, I'm losing it. Yep, that was a pearl. All right. And we're going to clip this. Pull it nice and tight. Up, and then we'll clip the blue. We're done with you. And there is our American flag. All right. Whew. All right, I guess the next thing we need to do is put some stars on there. I will show you guys how to do that real soon. All right, I will be right back.